Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So in today's video, I'll be giving you 3 African praise bassline patterns you can use to any praise song. So if you're interested, try watch the video to the end. Learn these 3 praise bassline patterns, okay? I also do private class lesson if you're interested or you want to start to learn how to play bass. You see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So understanding how to play bass is just for you to understand praise patterns. You understand there are many ways you can play just simple praise that's gonna make sense, okay? So I'll be giving you 3 of them, okay? So let's look at the first one. We are playing on key D, okay? It's just a simple song, okay? So please, from now on, every song I will be using on my tutorials, you can download them at the end of the video. The link will be there for you to download, and you can start practicing with the song, okay? And if you see you're okay, you practice with the song, you can send me the video I upload on my short, or I also put that video on my WhatsApp channel so that people can also see you, okay? Let's begin with the breakdown. You can use this bass line in any simple local, any song, any praise song. You just need to understand how to play it, and there you go, okay? So now we have to follow the song progression, okay? Asafo. Okay, so that is 1 to your 6. So on your 1, okay, so this is how you'll be doing. You'll be using your root and octave. So, and there will be ghost note in it. So note that, okay? So 1, you do a ghost note on your 5, then you pluck on your 5 on that note. Then your octave, you will play it 2 times. You understand? Okay. So, and also on your 1, 2, you can do the same way you did on your 5. So, okay. You see? So you do it that way. Ghost note on your 1. You pluck on your 1, the same, then 1 1. You understand? So when you have to start, you just play your 1 once, then you understand? So safu, safu. You understand? Okay. So now you are going to your 6. So now let's bring in a passing note that will take us to the 6. Okay, 1. So now you do a ghost note on that 2, 2, 3, 6. The way you played on your 1, the same pattern, follow that way and do it on your 6. Feel as if you are still playing on 1 on that 6. Okay, so you understand? So safu. So you have 6, 3, 6. That's your 3 and 6, 6. You understand? So when you play both of them together, so now you're going to your 2. You can bring in a passing note to your 2. That is 5, 6, 2. So you follow the same pattern as you are doing to 1 and 6. You do it to your 2. You understand? Okay. Safu, safu, yeah, oani, yeah. Okay. You understand? So you can do that is 2, 3, 6, 2. Then you continue 6, 6, 2, 6, 2, 2. Then 5, So you have 5, then you play 2 5 5 5 1. You understand? 2 3 6 2 6 6 2 2 5 5 2 5 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, it's very simple. So remember that if you're going to your 5 from your 2 to your 5, you play your 6, then you go to your 5. So 2 6 2 2 6 5, then 2 1. Playing it raw. So when you're going to your 6, you play, that is 5 6. So when you're going to your 2 3 2, when you're going to your 5 6 5. I hope you're getting it. 5 3 2 6 2. You understand? Okay, so now let's jump to the second bass line you can use for any song. Okay, so I'll show you the way I do that block so that it will not confuse you. Okay, so to 1 to 6. So the notes are very simple, but to plug them won't be that simple. Okay, so 1 5 5 1 5 1. You see? Okay, so let me show you the thing. So this is where we pluck. Okay, I use my first finger. We're using these 2 fingers to pluck. 1, my first finger is playing the 1. Now to my 5 with my second finger. Then I'll be plucking on that 5 again. So I'll now use my first finger. So you see, so now my second finger will be playing my 1, and I'll be coming back to my 5 and back to my 1. So me coming back to my 5, I'm using the second finger again. So from descending from 1 to 5, 1 5, you see, 1 5. So I am not plucking, I am rolling on top of the string, like, you understand, doing like this. You see, I'm not plucking, then back to my 1, then I pluck. You understand? So you understand? Okay, so you can do it in another way. When you pluck your 1 5 5, you can use the normal 1 to pluck the 1 5 5. Then descending, use your second finger on your 5, then back to your 1 using your first finger. You understand? So I don't confuse you. But when you are climbing up the notes, that is 1 and 5, use this to roll on the note, the string. Sorry. You understand? 1 5, then you pluck on your 1. You understand? So it will be easy for you when you do it that way. So you'll be going to your 6. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then your 6, you do it the same way. Okay, 6 3 3 6 3 6. Okay, you understand? Then to your 2 3 6 2. You understand? The same way, 2 6 6 2 6 2. Then to your 5, 2 3 4 5 2 2 5 2 5 2 5 2 5 6 7 1. You understand? It is very simple. You understand? So practice this, because at the end of the video, I'll join the first one, the second one, and also the third one. Okay, so practice this. So now let's look at the last one. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. 1 5 7 5 1 1 1 5 7 5 1 1. Sa fu 2 3 6 2 2 2 2 2. Then to your 2, you play 3 6, then 2 2 6 1 6 2 2. Then to your 5, 2 3 4 5 2 4 2 5 5 6 7 1. Done. So you do 1 2 2 2 5 6 7 1. You understand? Okay, so learn this pattern too. It is very, very easy, but you need to be very, very fast with this. Okay, so now let me try and combine all the 3 bass lines. Let me see if I can combine them and play them. Okay. So you saw that I've just used the 3 bass line to the whole song. Okay, so master it very well. This is the link to the song. Download it, play it with the song, and send me the video so that I can share. Okay, I'll see you guys. Good luck. Bye for now.